Now let us see about natural system of classification. The natural system of classification proposed by two English botanists Pentamine and Cooker. Now see the topic natural system of classification. The botanist who came after Linnaeus realized that no single character is more important than the other characters. Then accordingly an approach to the natural system of classification sported in France. The first scheme of classification based on the overall similarities was presented by Anthony Laurent de Jussieu in 1789. Now see the topic Pentamine and Cooker natural system of classification. The Pentamine Cooker in the year 1817 to 1911 in Cooker. The Pentamine 1800 to 1884 in the year. Now a widely followed natural system of classification considered the best was proposed of two English botanists Pendulum and Cooker. The classification was published in a 3-volume work as Genera Plantarum in the year 1862 to 1883. Then describing 202 families and 7,569 genera and 9,205 species. Then in this system the seeded plants were classified into 3 major classes such as Dicotyledonnae, Gymnospermae and Monocotyledonnae. First one, now see about the Pentamine Cooker system of classification. This system seed plant is classified into 3 types: Dicotyledonnae, Gymnospermae and Monocotyledonnae. First one, Dicotyledonnae. Dicotyledon means the plants contain 2 cotyledons in their seeds. The leaves with reticulate venation, taproot system and tetramerous or pentamerous flower. Tetramerous means the 4 or 5 petals present in the Dicotyledonnae plants. Then taproot system and flowers come under these classes. The Dicotyledonnae include the 3 subclasses. First one, Polypetale, Gamapetale and Monoclymadiae. Now see about Polypetale. The Polypetale means, poly means free. The plants with free petals and Diclymadiae flowers come under the Polypetale. For example, hibiscus. The Polypetale is further divided into 3 series. First one, Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae and Calciflorae. First one, Thalamiflorae. The Thalamiflorae means the plants having flowers with dome or conical shaped thalamus and superior ovary. Superior ovary means sepals, petals and stamens attached at the base of the ovary is called superior ovary. Superior ovary present in the Thalamiflorae, series Thalamiflorae. Then the Thalamiflorae include 6 order and 34 families. The second one series of Polypetale, Disciflorae. Disc means the disc shaped thalamus present in Disciflorae. Then under this series it includes 4 order and 23 families. Next one series of Calciflorae in Polypetale. The Calciflorae means the cup-shaped thalamus present in the Calciflorae in series. Then inferior or sometimes with half inferior ovary present in Calciflorae. Inferior ovary means sepals, petals and stamens attached at the apex or tip of the ovary. Then half inferior means sepals, petals and stamens attached at the middle of the ovary, the present in Calciflorae. The Calciflorae include 5 order and 27 family. Second one, the subclass Hemipetale. The Hemipetale means, hemo means the petals with united. The petals with united. For example, Tatura. Which are either partially or completely fused to one another diclamidiae under this group. Then the Hemipetale, the further divided into 3 series. First one, inferae, heteromerae and bicorpulate. The first one, inferae. The inferae means the flowers are epicynous or inferior ovary. Inferior means sepals, petals and stamen attached at the tip of the ovary. The inferae include the 3 order and 9 families. Second one series of Hemipetale, heteromerae. Heteromerae means the flowers are kyphocynous superior ovary and with more than 2 carpels. The heteromerae includes 3 order and 12 families. Third one series bicorpulate in Hemipetale. The bicorpulate means the flowers are hypocynous superior ovary and with 2 carpel. The bicorpulate include 4 order and 24 family. Next one, the Monoclamidiae. Third one subclass Monoclamidiae. Mono means only one. The plants with incomplete flowers. The either apetalous. Apetalous means the petals are absent with undifferentiated calyx and corolla are placed under Monoclamidiae. The sepals and petals are distanced and they are called perion. The each member is called tepals. For example, Monoclamidiae, musa, coconut, etc. Sometimes both the wholes are absent. Monoclamidiae include 8 order and 36 families. Second one, the class Gymnospermae. The gymnosperm plants that contain naked seeds. Naked means the open seeds. The ovules, the not enclosed within the ovary. This is known as the naked seeds. The naked seeds come under this class. Then Gymnospermae include 3 families. First one, Neetaceae, Coniferae and Cycadaceae. Neetaceae, for example, Neetum, Coniferae, Pinus and Cycadaceae, for example, Cycas. The third one, main class, Monocotyledonae. Mono means only one. The plants contain only one cotyledons in their seed. Leaves with parallel venation. Then fibrous root system and trimerous flowers come under the class. Trimerous means 3 petals or sepals present in the Monocotyledonae. The Monocotyledonae has 7 series and 34 families present. Then The Pentham and Cooker system of classification is still supposed to be the best system of classification. It has been widely practiced in colonial countries, and herbaria of those countries were organized based on the system and is still used as a key for the identification of plant in some herbaria of the world. To the following reasons, the description of plants is quite accurate and reliable because it is mainly based on personal studies from actual specimen and not more comparison of known fact. Next one, it is easy to follow. It is used as a key for the identification of plants in several herbaria of the world. It is a natural system. The system was not intended to be phylogenetic system. That's all.